Fáilte Ash go How to Gael. We have teamed up with Fáilte Ireland to help you keep discovering everything our gorgeous island has to offer.
And ish go bhfuil on saoire buailteling, there's no better time to get planning your short break. Take discoverireland.ie for ideas that'll get you and your friends planning your next big adventure. To my rála tá sechan tú spragala dul tastal.
Oh, as Darren would say herself. Now, Monserrat go on Schlian Atlantic Eon or the Leoch. How about a visit to the Ackle experience in Chunte Bhfuil? Part aquarium, gals, part history hub if you don't mind. Or you can head to Ciarnog Veva e Schligach for myths and watching the world go by.
Or if it's a trip east that is on your list, then Neartla Fecal in Ireland's ancient east. Wander through the Marina Market in Cork City, grab a bite, support local makers. Newmas Tiberdoran on Cairns Creep Gut. Why not walk the ancient path of St. Declan's Way?
Sinné here trust bóthar eile tá mí dul siúil slí naobh Declan a chalíní ná darúdaí go bhfuil dhúshlán bhailithláine a gunta na mí ann chomá céanna where history meets pop culture. It is also the location for the Traitors Ireland.
Whoa.
Fun little fact. Now you can make your way up the Sea Loud Trail for scenic food stops all along the coast.
Yum, yum, yum. Decalicious. Now, Colleen, not grave our dross, good gree all to kilt and hair and gaheave and gals, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It really was.
Bob.
On Quidis Farlum was, you know, just on quality time on Turgan Kayla and Moher Kayla.
Oh my God.
Like butter wouldn't melt.
I know. Speaking of butter, on Rudis Far Lumsa, Yennemer, not on wrong bacala. I haven't stopped making soda bread since. It's a real problem.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
I sampled it. It's good. You're getting good now, girl.
Yeah, the cocktail.
Well, Joanne and Rud Abansa Lumsa, I have to say, was discovering a new skill that I am actually a very proficient zipliner.
Well, you are, because the froze new come to come
Go
on.
on.
1, 2 zip of you.
Love
Oh.
it. Absolutely. So what are you waiting for? Plan your short break at discoverireland.ie and keep discovering the stories, surprises and soul of Ireland.
Sinead go dtíreach Shiva agus Darren Quinniger of Gach Triocht in Éireann.
Whoa.
Oh.
Colony, we are in the thick of it now. So we can't move for the fail to kill her team player.
I know, it's on town with Faris Savlian, and you know me, gals, I'm crack alta for the Al Kiobio. I love seeing the musicians perform live. But the thing about the failty, it's the possibility that anything can happen.
Well, do you know what? For me, the icing on the cake is always have a Guinness in hand, whether it's raining or sunshine. Let's be real, it's a mixed bag. But má tá tú le cháde, tá cuoine cín le fáil.
And whether you're at a session Ceola Loch Gorman or if you're just heading down to the live at the Marquee in Cork.
She could be having an owl festival out the back, barbecue on, Guinness, nitrous surge, the love gut.
Listen, sign me up, Louise. It sounds fantastic. Wherever you are on Sarah Shaw, every day is a lovely day for a Guinness.
Taste on Cora Show lads Tom A. Fizzle for some festival crack.
Get the facts. Be drink aware. Visit drinkaware.ie. Hello, agus fáilte go How to Gael an tachtan seo lumsa Louise.
Agus lumsa Shiva.
Colleeny Fecher in a rash reached agus Shivsha Kasulish the denim squad there, the little denim middies.
Bewitched and Shaw.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I was gonna go for
Cheetah Girls, but Bewitched is actually a better reference.
Yeah, Denim Agus Aeroduck.
Yeah, small amount.
Yeah.
Support local.
Thanks for sending me a text here, Madden. I'm here in my little linens. I would have put on Roddig and denim if I'd known we were going for the full.
Because you
C'est la
should
vie.
niece Iruni than I'm sure though. Linen
Yeah.
is niece. It's
Lads.
cooler.
Can anyone else just tell me, are they sleeping at night in this? I'm sure.
I know.
Tom Isha.
Where's Flower?
Yeah.
I'm roasted.
Tá sé anathe. And to Mr. Trace Bug, I've told you before about I have to get up in the middle of the night.
Oh.
The Dulligan Hours.
Yeah.
And tá Mr. Trace Bug showmer, so Neil Mason on Sweet Hilla, and it's making things very, very dangerous in running in the middle of the night to go to
Neil
school.
Mason on Sweet.
sorry.
Hilla.
Is this Mark Wilty Snip?
Yeah, it's a nice name.
Hilarious. But listen, you'd want to be in the nip these nights because I tell you, though, she roasta. I don't know. Anyway, I have the windows open, the whole shebang. The Neil Shannon.
Oh, I have them gaping.
Do you?
Gaping. Oh, yeah. Tá Tara de Tastal, like.
Do you know Rod Aiken,
The
though?
house is wrapped.
The house is
the house on the north side.
Got the external wrap.
True.
We're toasty.
See, I have an issue with these Tihi Nua and like wrapping things and bringing up this burr rating or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Because like, sorry, it can't be good for your lungs.
What?
You should be able to like.
You should be in a drafty apartment like this.
No, hold on. Louise, are
better
you
for the
making
Constitution.
a case against BER ratings?
Well, like I think sometimes new houses can be too hot. Like, yeah.
Well,
Girls, I'm sorry.
It's efficiency. It's efficiency, O'Have, Tas, Agus O'Have, Fuinavade. It's not wasting heat and you can open your windows. And there is airflow because you have to have airflow.
I like a Bacca Owl French window myself, you know, where the wind rattles through and you hear the outdoors. Well, I was going to say Rod the Marialler and if we know Fogaller Oscailt, I'm always scared that if I open my window like really wide to the widest that a bird would fly in.
Oh.
What? A pigeon in Lorna?
Like a fucking seagull, those dirty, demonic, like angry seagulls.
Do you know what?
Yeah.
And also, will an pisho seo goibh with about the little ainm bug, if a bird flies into your house and sees himself in a mirror, that it's the sign of a death coming to your family. I always is cuiinlam like for though, right? Ag fás níos is bhaile nach mom running around the house putting towels over over mirrors. Go dí go raibh an aon imethe, because she was like, don't let the bird see itself in the scahan. Marialla's gur gillian shin that there would be a death coming to the family. Yeah, she was really... Now, mom's on a pishoga anyway, but it was like... I swear to God, because, you know, it was one of those hot days. All the windows and the doors were open. The house was airing out. And, yeah... No,
I don't think gur hála sé minic a chuhann grab aon to take a game gur hug my chean the sin. But it's sin some milk.
Yeah. You know what? Hála sé minic galore mohiach ar cúségan. Like as cuiil was my fásní is like aon of a sa shomra tailig or sa shomra tosig mar sin an oscar an fireplace, and I'd be terrified as fool am aon. But I don't remember, there wasn't any mad dash gadi na skahan, but I just remember the place being covered in shite. Because they'd be panicked. They're terrified. They're in, I don't know why, it's a lovely sitting room, but they'd be terrified, flapping around the place, you know, and they'd shit everywhere, and you'd have to clean
like up. The burr rating, sugar hair. But like your queen live, even I always remember they'd be cows would break into our backyard, you know, and you'd be like, Dad, there's a cow in the garden, or like would have come in from the farm in Againn. I don't know, it's wild to have a bit of a, like, we're so like, I don't know, civilized that we're not able for that, like.
Well, I came around here, Horlish and Reeve them allowed on, I have to say. Well, yeah, in my housing estate.
We did, yeah. There was a little calf up on the trampoline.
But I would have enjoyed
it.
I would have enjoyed it.
Dramatic effects, yeah. On Raibh Deir Seach in the Tascus?
We may go bear, Mayor and Telefish. Horla Octra Wine.
Go on.
Elaine Crowley said, "Fuck bio air and Downach." It was brilliant. Now,
on Fish on a Kirsta.
Yeah, I'll put in the TikTok and it.
Do you ever overcook your poached eggs? Is that a thing that?
No, I overcook my boiled eggs. Oh, I've overcooked.
And Vichy actually really cur her mock. She was like, it's na blin the gwil mayor and Telefish to my Reeve Haitian so Vichy really cur her mock again. But it was fucking hilarious and van booked. It was great TV.
Great TV. And look, do you know what? Thanks be to God, the podcast is a safe space. Fuck away all you like, you know.
So don't need to tell us twice.
Oh well, Einrod Drover's right to go over in Television.
Yeah, Dortmund is shit. When I was doing a blindfolded Bush Tucker trial, agus mudig dridum le I'm a Celebrity, get me out of here, but I was blindfolded and I had to put my hand into a box that I couldn't see, which is it's fucking terrifying, you know. So Dortmund shit.
Is Dortmund good shit alright? Agus feck. On Gapmanship.
No, it's fader feck or raw. I don't think it's fader shit or raw.
Actually thought being on discourse againn here and radio, Ray Foley loves to say like arse and stuff, like arsehole, is that a curse? I do in my arse.
Yeah, I do my arse. Vodney's like
Glenna. Yeah.
Okay, go now I'm Kena.
Arse hole. Once you add the hole.
Yeah.
It's very evocative.
On the arse.
Yeah.
I feel during grill Tussa absolutely hate cursing her in television.
Yeah, but yeah, I wouldn't even take it in hand. I just feel right, whatever, and I like to know neatly knowing her. I it's kind of you core algum like the nagam yeller asking here in radio, Hannah.
Yeah.
Agus we might definitely try to ask any on radio, but I don't know. Anyway.
Could we have flat TV? I mean, through fucking and shows and shoe.
I don't think so. No, need all of them. No.
Baron Brownie Shear, agus Skalgo Yana.
Absolutely.
Listen, there's worse offences. There's worse things you could be saying anyway. Anyway.
And you know what? And Rusty, like, so Cuig on Fish on Rubiog viral or TikTok, and Tana Trock and her fought Harva Baul Lane. They're all like, it's grand, we all do it. Like, it happens to us all, you know? So we're lying here of the knee. Maris, Vela, you've ever really fucking conflict Martha play to go in air TikTok. So if may sauce the goil.
It's all in the way you react.
But no, hold on. Sorry. Why is Elaine allowed to say fuck R&DM agus Neil Cadaguina our bud creile?
No. Sin ceist
Anava.
Margaret Boss Kirkigdy?
Ní no fá gur as Kirkig the Elaine in éair ní an canú Kirkig.
No, orintha tá. Agus má hagan sin agus stock. Yeah, agus má hagan sin ó Kirkig stock.
Okay.
Hagan
Iron she níos Kirkig.
Níos Kirkig. Yeah.
Well, vi tosa hias I the Bredorn there in der Schachna.
Yeah, vi mis ag féile ag Jim the Mail the size pub a lar like in Lar nowhere. It's a broached upper church in some better kilometre o Turles.
Yeah.
And that's like caller not le blianta fada mar it's tignor ceola agus níos cliente ach gachéanaí he Jardine. But anyway, vi féile ceola cod an deir seachtanan vi sé deadly vi sé fiantas collective is anam do agus vi sé just really liminal, I suppose, is Jan Fuckle gan útáing.
Go on, tell us
Gachran.
Gachran.
Focal is far lot.
I know.
They're in liminal ní ghlachán.
I know, but I'm mission to change shot to sort of sprawl me.
Yeah, bhí daine like it was just mad. Bhí annach bhí cardan ann agus daine cleachta like ceirdíocht like anna ars agus séanna like you know, there's a stonemason there carving a big kind of a bowl and I don't know what it was, like a bowl, and then there was like lunas a bealtana
like a calendar bowl?
yeah, like a calendar bowl. Yeah, it was mad. So we were like going away at that. Then there was an intuitive singing workshop with a man from India who like studied in all these like different kind of ancient traditions. And then
Intuitive singing, is that just when a tune comes through?
no, it's like different like techniques of singing from like ancient traditions.
Oh.
Yeah, it was mad.
Go on.
Yeah, and then there was another one like fhios na Gaeilge on Dalah, like, you know, about like kind of sourcing poetry from the land and stuff.
Wow.
And, yeah, it was really
On Rev Gizzy Lingham.
Yes, the V.
Go on.
V.
Could have thought I.
Visha actually an art farm. I actually vi galore yes, Diarmid Ling
Daker she is there now.
Wexford herder.
Yeah.
Man of the land. Visha Rochdal. Heard your message from Rimish being like there now here we're going to Oasis like new to of wild hurling. And I was like, is he Oasis or not? I would not be doing any wild hurling. I haven't heard since I was about fucking 14 years old.
Wild hurling, so cad Kilushan immert gone brogy.
Gone broga, gone
Cligged.
cligged. Yeah, it's all
yeah.
really, really loose. So vi clear wild hurling and it's actually in road like being shishin to go burlesh and falsoonach kind of take fear in the morning and like, you know, obviously it's shana clear a so
Yeah.
kind of a dull sheer giddy, you know, the bare basics. Like yeah, no, it was mental.
Wow,
yeah.
yeah.
It was really, really cool.
Agus Gaelic Torliant in the Bernard, like just as even of
yeah, it was class. So time I definitely am being shown, I definitely dollar fight call you but for my on us, yeah. And like the Colini own like they're all so Jim in the Mill is Farity and then Tha like Gangmore in Ianacha again. Caught is an unbelievable curator. Greta is curator Chama, but she's a herbalist as well. And like when she came sin Oliach now, like she's like specializing in herbs and cures of certain Martians. She really cool.
earthy,
really earthy. Anya Shah, like playwright, agus Ashtor, like they're just like incredibly creative. Talk Larmore Colini Ella, but I like there's so many of them I don't know all the names.
Well,
but yeah, they're very cool women.
Beggarin, yeah, Glare, Dolan, but cad they on takeaway smo so?
Takeaway smo. I don't.
On stuff Glare though fecke got.
Yeah, if we were just a shine to kill Gadi fucking all hours.
Yeah,
it was unbelievable. I don't know. And takeaway smell was like I just need to be doing more of that.
Yeah.
All, like Aimar me and May her and Ashton down and I'm always like, what am I? You know.
Yes.
We live. Such,
Erin Shadit,
We live all such
surface
level lives and like really never had to go over to the man. It's so false.
Yes. Darren August to egg or the Casula show. You're like, I can't believe I ever spent 5 minutes scrolling on fucking Instagram. Never sound there were the Casula shows in your hail.
Yeah, Keith and Gade and like just the crab, you know. So
Agus like Jane of Ruddy led the lava really isn't that unbelievable. We'll get to that in his Janie and Snap, but like actually Gonaveg, like you say, Gonaveg scroll on like Jane of Ruddy carts led the lava, whether it's Kjol or making calendar bowls, pay Rud to Rud Agant, I don't know. Do you know, Jane and Shay Rud Agant, doesn't it?
Totally,
for your mind and your creativity, the whole lot.
Agus Carl Foots are Jens Sainer Dot.
Well, Vias kind of raw. Speaking of spiritual experiences, lads, Vias like Oasis. Agus, you know what? If we make Dolan, we're kind of tag along the Declan. Thought Declan Wadney's Motokalo, no Misha, and he'd have all the lyrics in the whole shebang. And I was like, oh, it'll be grand. And he rev make Sul, like Keiko, feckin' wholesome, Agus raw, Svishay, and like Rod Olvor, like dumps anyway. I think maybe it's the gigs I've been going to, and I'm guilty of it being a goni on my phone, like egg glock, a pictory, egg token fish on. I'm like, yeah, get it for the gram. This shit, like you get the video, get the nice shot. Ní rev Anya Harity and Balaram Aaron phone, and it was unbelievable to witness. It just seemed like being back in time, and it was all like middle-aged men crying in jerseys and stuff, and it was vishe an animal ronach like and gach gile rodfui. There was just something very pure, and it felt specialta. Níos móna ein gig a bhí Sarah Janie, yeah,
bhí an vibe úntaach mo hím haar team player Vlockley and der shocking show mar jail air agus bhí buzz úntaach down, but rud a Curtis Jocker am not any like, oh, you know, Nobby Aaron Vaughan ag na rudí seo, and like, oh, it's great near vein Aaron Vaughan, and like fair enough, mother wa lots of Aaron Vaughan ag na rudí seo, fine. But I also think like sin rud bresha a yenins dinianish beidir atá curle hesperish Saku, you know? I don't like this kind of like moral panic and this kind of moralization. Shaming over Dini Glock of Fishon and Kilker and like Bader go martin into Dini Shira.
How many people watch the 3-minute fuzzy videos back regularly?
Not me, but Bader Dini Ella, like, you know.
Maybe there's somebody out there
Every night is on the phone like, Jez, I got a great angle there. That was well worth recording.
You know. Well, listen, I'd say Gunenic Oasis tours Kasuna Shin, so maybe they'll have those fish on for years to come. You know?
Don't think them come on. A few people that noticed us where we were sitting was like, you were only in nappies when Oasis were coming out with the good stuff. Really? I first saw them in 95 and, you know, and I Chiapas actually Gravdini sort ages second gig. I think they were looking at some of the younger people being like, what? You've no right to be here. These are our band. I'm like, come on now. Chiapas. But yeah. And I was like, 1995, I was 3.
But you know, Anise Gallagher, which you Anise
yes, that Innie. No,
And and Bhí me Gary because Hershey still in Lager Land Oliver. She's like, woke up in the greatest country in the world, and like Bhí galore like stickers the Ruddy of Winla Air, and I was like, it's so brilliant the way that they still really identify as, you know, Airnick.
And you know what? Nota sin Akashiv scale Joanne McNally. Clarence Marialler Shin.
Near Ryan V. Sean, care to be you.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Breno Mayer.
Joanne needs to get into the
bin. No, and actually, couldn't make agus couldn't make couldn't make a Ryan Dini A just near Vandesh and Bradley whatever I was doing, I couldn't like play where they can do forward. So
did you just say you unfollowed her?
No, she asked me, did I? And I haven't. I'm not that petty. Yes, Joanne. Watch, your days are numbered, Joanne McNally.
But for if you haven't seen the video, essentially she's saying like how Irish, it's so Irish of us to decide who we allow in and not, you know, and like so Ed Sheeran came to the flat 2 weeks ago and was like, I culturally identify as Irish, and everyone was like, oh,
whatever,
stop Ed. Cake will like mom, August dad,
Hasluck Gorman,
yeah. And then the Gallaghers, it's like, oh no, but they're fully, and like Noel fucking playing a Union Jack guitar, like we're so double standard, aren't we?
I know, but the Gallaghers are fucking way more cool than Ed Sheeran.
But is it on Rod? Like, is it the fact that they came from the working class Irish parents, the mother that fleed the man, and
they were always very relatable. Mariana Shin, come on,
and
then Ed Sheeran kind of sold his soul, go like the commercial side of music, you know. So
although the Gallaghers did do that Rud leis na Ticéidi.
They did the dynamic pricing and the gouging, and
but they've from the outset been like, we're in this to make money. That's my Manchester accent.
Shaska shocked the million again. She does blockly at wine.
Yeah.
So
listen, rock and roll.
Because you know, obviously they're meant to be. You know, if they're fan of the in Ostan egg seals, so we're one cool mock in Carson House in Manu, because we did an LM Loch Leah, and apparently Fosni Rachie and she'd rowa, and they just wait till they're on stage to interact. Mar just Covis, Cadahorlock.
Well, we baroque more meal tucker and Stacher Rare.
Yeah,
Monday after Sunday, and there was a little squeezy arse moment. So
I know, but I was saying I'd do a concert with my worst enemy for 6-7 minutes. Joanne McNally, let's link up.
Yes, I'll travel. I will travel.
No, just for the plot. It's a Chagranver.
Yeah.
I'm in. Whatever the dynamic price.
2 nights in Croke Park. Heard it here first.
But no, Tom Carrot's got August. You know, be like, lads, you'll kill me now for this, Walter, and you definitely would, because you're a good spontaneous woman. For my text to Rare collaboration, they are all after party. Noel Gallagher, they're going to O'Donoghue's. They can be down. I'll get your wristband.
Are you fucking serious? You're like 5 minutes away.
I know. A team from the Cuna. He was there. Really rock. Ilor Nainig. No.
Why?
Slabba. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah. And we were like, Declan. No, we Declan Shaw, and I was like, come on, will we go? And he was like, Erin, no, like, you know, now this is probably hearsay. We'll get down. We'll end up having pints, and he won't come. 1, 2, skip a few. Yeah, Darby Madden with a text. The 2 bopping along. Imelda May in a full sing-song session.
Oh, for God's sake.
Just knock Rev Shay fear. I was like, no, there's no way, because like, you know, I should have listened, and I should have taken it at face value. Anyway, Ceach Fallon my gum.
Carry and Ceach, Louise.
Go to O'Donoghue's when you get the last minute text.
Always go to O'Donoghue's.
Go for the last minute pint. That is always the best one.
I know.
It is.
I know.
Let that be
because last night was the end of the Europe and Ireland leg. Yeah. Anyway, go exactly. So anyway, right, gals. Cúpla Rod le Rá go Willemwood on Shore full video. Come and say hello.
Come see our denim dresses.
Yes, do see the Colleen's denim. Cadella. if you'd like to support us on the pod, you can subscribe to our Patreon as well, where you get a bonus weekly episode and other benefits. And Tacht and Shkata, we all pulled a tarot card and they were good. Yeah.
That was Kaiki show hen.
Was that a Kaiki show?
Yeah.
There you go.
But either,
they're always the eps Farlam anyway.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll have a Patreon soon where Darren carves us a calendar bowl.
There you go. Any
I'm
day
holding
now,
out
girls.
hope. Yeah.
Any
Very
day.
scratchy.
Agus, while you're at it then be sure to give us an L. Follow on Insta, TikTok, Agus Bader Fog message, where they can take rails, whatever you're feeling.
How to go gmail.com.
Shinarod. Okay, Colleen, Taman a Shacht now.
You.
So, Taman a Shacht now on Tacht and Shot. No, how to play.
Love.
Okay? So, on a chéad ceist tá go mar bhse ná, cad a cílíonn spríúlacht díobh se, playfulness. If we're sailta.
Goira. Agus bugga physical.
Ooh.
I do. I think so.
Bug, is that like a bugga physical?
Oh, alright, stop fucking grinding on the sofa, Louise.
I do the drolling. Do you know that bit at the end of the drolling? Do you know the dirty drolling?
Yeah. No, Mar, I think Darren's dini, good dains the quid máthán bíon stig mags with a dulanísh, but ní fear sin, ní onan dulanísh agus na máthán a dulanolgus, an cúis go dain na máthán nolgus ná agus stoppin with ag bugga agus ag glúisteach mar dhéanamar agus with og. Like they don't just atrophy or cúis bit, it's because we have stopped running and skipping and jumping agus didn't know the dhéanamar agus agus fiú ag siúil nu ag ri. So I really connect playfulness and youth to movement.
Okay.
Simul.
Annie asked Darren.
Yeah, I suppose, bugga tan ceartagat, and then like saolíocht, I think saolíocht is rud more so anyway, and I would say now tá mé pretty go hulk the an environment an awful my buin sultas new like buin sportas.
Yeah, you're Kim Cattrall.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you on
Yes.
Kim Cattrall.
Yes.
I don't want to be in a situation for even 1 second where I'm not enjoying myself.
Yes.
100%, and tá mé sin like over everything, I'm just like not enjoying this, I'm gone.
So cadiad like non-negotiables, we'll say. The timpachta tá spríúil.
Well, kind of vibes bag ma.
Yeah.
So
na daoine nó an áil tú.
Cé forget kind of daoine bheith go jazz an timpach bheith go jazz. Ní gan tú haine hogan go roll daríire. I think sin rud more. Yeah,
Yeah, I think we'll kind of an saoirse agus ein rud gur bháil at a rá agus nachhfuil an atmosphere ro stuffy. Agus like go bhéadach an chorá dull really adrum and hilarious like Elmer bit. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think like orintha Ryan Stephen at Ibra can be really stifling and like you can't tell jokes, you can't kind of turn that charm on.
An gapan tú go mín daoine búrtha gomininic a bheith amadach, and I'm saying amadach like in the sense that they want to be having fun, but they're like, that'd be such a stupid thing to do or say. Marialis nachhfuil sé, I don't know, bechor dov mar daoine fásta a bheith gan a bheith amadach, so to say.
Yeah, well, just vein exul aine sit down corporádach that they have a really fucking stupid hobby last winter, because you can't be silly sit down corporádach.
Yeah,
Well, tá rud ag an simúil like agus tá Kyle or Google Marial or shot that they build playgrounds and they put bean bags and like what you call those soccer tables, pinball tables, agus rud mar sinnde. Foosball. Yeah, God, we're so, what you call those. There's none for the hurling, so I wouldn't know. And the whole idea is that like they're coming to work and it's like, it's a fun environment to be in. You're in a spa atá ré cúiseach, and then you're in níos crothaí Marial or gohfuil tú, I don't know, the chumpord nor they can,
Because like this is why, and like you slagged me for it, but this is why I like board games. I'm going to insert some cricket noise there, okay?
Sorry. So, but like, what do you mean now?
What do you mean, what do I mean?
That's the most organised fun. It's literally a box of
fun.
fun. Take out this box of organised fun and we'll organise it Erin Mord.
Yeah, I know. Shiva does love a bit of organised fun. It's not for me.
Okay, well, come on, sell it to us. Cane board game. Cane board game.
Like, dimmer me Uno on Shane and Janie. Uno, card game.
Yeah.
Do you like card games?
Yeah.
There 21. You go. That's organised
bit
fun.
Of money on the table, bit of
betting. Bit of 45, yeah.
Yeah, I like Aintley. Like, did you ever play Discovering Ireland?
Now, I do like capitals and flags.
No, this isn't capitals and flags.
Okay.
This is
Anyone capital in Ireland to be very short.
yeah, no, I like discovering Ireland, and I've gone off Monopoly now.
Okay.
I overdosed there, agus mainly so again, so I don't
Could
play
I
Monopoly.
just ask
hella.
now, would
Yeah.
it be like a Tróna Harron and yourself and Collar like
No.
whip out Discover Ireland to move around with?
No, Ní Anamid, no. Ní
I was
Anamid,
gonna
right.
say-
We have better playful things to be doing in our alone time than board games, all right?
hello.
Okay.
Although, Ruther One Anamid is, we love to do the crossword, and I find that playful, come on.
Well,
Girl, you get
would
your
you play the
kicks
crossword like
wherever you
Kayla
go.
or would it be like a Ross?
No, Denmid Kayla A. Yeah,
Kayla.
Denmid Kayla
Oh.
A. Yeah.
That's very
Okay,
cute.
yes.
Now, Darren has been all high and mighty and she's flat out spending her whole time in New York looking for a chess partner. So actually,
Yeah, I know,
Colleen,
where-
Fuck you.
she'd like support. No.
No, I do like
You do-
chess.
yeah.
No, it's Malin Fihil.
Did you ever find in a...
Yeah,
Good
I
clever
told
chess-
you.
Oh, yeah.
I went on that date.
Oh, chess date.
Yeah.
I didn't know you agreed to go with him.
Yeah, no, Cormac Suas and somebody slid into my DMs who knew
Go
a
on.
friend of mine and had kind of took this as their opportunity to, and then so we went on a date and he whipped my ass on chess. It was actually kind of funny.
On a first date?
A double entendre. Really?
Yeah, twice.
Oh.
He played 2 games. And
Oh,
then, yeah.
that would sting.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
wasn't good. Anyway.
You didn't go for best out of 3.
No, we didn't go for best out of 3, but I still it's Bralham's a cliff.
Yeah.
I do, because you just kind of chat.
Yeah.
And then like I love it with a duck, you know.
Yeah. But does you an spraoi mar date idea? A
Yeah.
few gone duck. Like
Yeah.
it's a nice not drink activity to do like the Megan to come up.
Yeah, well, we went for coffees on my date in New York. Yeah.
Oh. Was there a second date?
No.
No. Okay.
Okay, number Ola's are
Ola's,
farson that they're in.
Well, listen, Támuid Condol sheer in Ama and let's go back to Fosnius like Snickly he like Ama Ducha
Yeah.
Avisha
Okay.
the Gimmert Lev or Bader vor Glown. I don't know, did you have cord? Was it the Dina Vienna
Yes,
Belt
Aaron Moher, yeah.
Yes, Aaron Moher. Because I feel like these are the iconic lanes where your creativity was running wild. You were in the garden making garden soup out of leaves and mud.
Yeah.
And like as far as you're concerned, it was the witch's cauldron.
Yes.
You two co-crawl
Yeah,
and
doing
that.
potion. Yeah, oh my
doing
God,
potions and
potions.
stuff. So,
Yeah.
Cad bhí sibh sé immert nor bhí sibh fásnaíos.
Well, I was a great woman for a witch's potion.
Yeah.
Anyway, first and foremost.
Shocker.
Yeah, shocker.
To
yeah,
nobody.
Sticks and stones and break my bones. Yeah.
Yeah. So shin or the spara. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just having images of they're in Augusty community with a pestle and mortal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Go on, but I'd say like not greibh sé sin go simply like that, agus sair.
Yeah, absolutely. But it's kind of like Mantine Dargur Mach being like Termach now extin potion defaving or something. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like Dina Kern is mine of shin of the count. But anyway, yeah.
Yeah, agus like do you know like tógáil cubbies agus stuff mar sin de
Yeah.
out of branches. I remember once, right, we had a babysitter who challenged us, fair play to her egg on them, like she was dead right to get us all out of the house. She said she'd give us either like a barashach lloyd no Uachtar Ocean or thing if we could make a daisy chain the full perimeter of the house, right?
That's
The
like,
whole
go on,
way
I'll race
around.
you.
Yeah, and out the driveway. So like I'd say her hammer like probably cúpla or like her daisy chain the Kaelin that went the width of their garden
my
and
God,
out
that's
onto the road.
amazing.
Yeah, Misha, my Raforniav, and I'd say Marion was too young, and her 2 sons. And we took such pride. We're like, look at this daisy chain. It goes in Schlier Fad Temple
Dopes.
and see.
Yeah.
Who would fall for that? Like,
Who can eat it? Who can eat it?
Caiimiid rá. So ó haimh cluichí like howliaach the days cuilum bhí actually gang mór go Aaron Moher agus bhí colony ar coís linne and bhí muid dul timp ar na rothir we'd be like letting on that we're colony snafihidi and we're not ogus snafihidi
Oh, wow.
and we'd be like well these are actually our horses and then we'd stop at the wall and pretend to take cash out of an ATM on our horses as you did
Oh my
agus
God.
snafihidi.
Hilarious.
Yeah. And then apart from that, tip the can was my fucking jam. Oh
Yeah,
my
tip
God.
the can.
I just the risk.
Yeah.
The threat
Yes.
involved.
Yes.
You know, and the
Yeah.
adrenaline that would be running through you while you're hiding behind a wall, being like, please don't find me,
Yeah.
you know?
Yes. Oh my God. Tips can a great one. Or Red Rover.
Oh, yes, Red Rover.
Red Rover. And if you can add it like with a pig or what was that? I don't know. What's the
Pig.
name of it?
Oh, pig in the middle?
No. Oh,
That was mean.
another one, yeah.
What about Bulldog?
Bulldogs
charge. Bulldogs charge.
Bulldogs.
Look, she's really for Aiganach.
Yeah, Bee. That was really
But I think
good.
that's why it was good. But
Yeah.
our queen of like a gimmert, but our queen of a gimmert in a cliche, and someone would come up like another neighbour, or you'd be in school and be like, "Hey Shiva, can I play your game?" And you'd be like, "Oh no, sorry, it's not my game. It's Darren's game. You have to ask Darren."
Oh my
Oh
god.
my
To
God.
like let her in.
Yeah.
Do you know,
yeah.
be like, "Dinna Giannis or
Giannis.
But
Yeah.
just dare hush in mar knock her out with Gary Gnibroic sheet.
I don't know though. You used to be like, "No, it's my game, my rules," or "Her game, her rules."
Oh yeah.
Do you know if you like really? It'd be like dibs on. If it's my game, it's my rules.
Yeah. Bagsy not it. Bagsy not it.
So yeah, kind of isha shinarish. Red Rover. I call Darren over. Agus Viert Rit
Yeah.
Trasna.
That, yeah, I think so. Wasn't it a colour or something? Or
Or they can shin. And then what time is it, Mr. Wolf? I used to enjoy
Oh,
that
yeah.
too.
Yeah.
And you
That's
go
like red light, green light, not gas.
Oh,
As
yeah.
the,
Yeah.
Squid Games the daily,
Oh.
you know. Yeah, when they're
Yeah.
saying.
gas.
Yeah.
So on Yappinship, right, when you think back at those times, Agus and sort Saoirse via againn, and it was kind of limitless the crack you could have
Yeah.
out of nothing. On Yappinship, Gwilym would fós an Shinian of Ishliawan no Shliela. Would she fós on?
I think we'll bach an saoiliocht chéine. You know, I think of Austin through Ferrer, agus ní hagan sé sin lath. Well, I don't know. Better go bheith spás and crew that féin sin of, but no. And I think you almost have to. So a lot of time around the Guinea, I think Garnish, you almost have to carve out time for fun.
Yeah, I think going to got. Yeah, because we have really crunchy stuff me like that was one of my ruddy and there's after Chicago that I was really like comment on the rash because it's ní smó ibre saoiliochtaí enough, you know, because it's féile I on a grandma has you know surface level sale, you know, so reality show.
Agus an chuig go ar fád brad new and television stuff agus new era of own, like that leaves no space for creativity, you know, because mm much just a glock is jock over Guinea Ella, you know, and it might spark something, but like very rarely you're going to say, oh, that reminds me, I'm going to go do something now because current's doing faux she is agus landing to a eyeglass, you know, so rare. I think we're very distracted agus do you know what, we don't spend enough time doing nothing. Mars os fuac a Huggins.
Yeah.
Céad fin géad.
Ceart got.
Seanachil nua os fuac a Huggins crack. Right?
No.
Printed on a t-shirt. No, tá Garrett Gomlan a got, and Orient I think as well, Dumsa, you know, we are like, if I'm going to get messy and play and have the crack, it'll be me $1 ihe more amach, or I'm going to like drink loads or lose my senses and get into this other reality. And Orient that to shinnig tassel like bean shay, and that can be great. But have we lost the kind of maybe the want to just like do something, do the simple fun things that like dance in the kitchen, put on a stupid accent, take the, you know, na ruddy mar shinda atá séir agus éasca agus we could do it now may not.
Yeah,
do you know?
Yeah, tan ceart got. Yeah.
Well, Sean, sorry, Leonard.
Have you made it around I vision because the mission marcade, that's where I really love having the crack, but on I've not on laud ar giún being in brain fog. In brain fog is an rud really churnisteach armsa and being mchanú tree law depending on how mad I've gone, you know, being mchanú tree law chapter national and pain bitter tree new care law.
Yeah,
if it's been a big one.
Because if you think about it, you know that the endorphins that having fun and playing like that can release you, or the creativity or whatever it might be. Obviously, tágann sin let you mad amach agus ruddy mar sin de chama, but like think of like, say, I'm thinking of the last fun thing maybe the three of us did together, go for a really early sunrise swim and you're jumping around the waves and the freezing water, and it's kind of this like childlike state of play,
totally.
And just mucking to almost, it's like that giddy feeling of like childish carelessness. Agus tu sé sin chó tábhachtach.
Yeah.
Well, Sean Couch Garagrig me, I don't know if active me on Law Sport le Macorda.
Yes.
Shockana. So Hánig fihid in a trasna and I organised the like the ocht glithe againn, right? And I personalised them, so if you gach glithe bunathe garm ceann the daine bhí.
Oh god.
I know, this is so me.
Yeah,
you know?
very.
So like it's far doton ceann the lads, they did like a fireman's hose kind of race. They had to bring water from one end of the garden to another using only a straw. Ruddy Casula show.
Yeah.
But we really spreal and ruddy knock nain hod ag ná and tá grúpa show really umiach and we all love organised fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all kind of the same in that sense. And everyone was really into it, and everyone got really competitive.
So now on Rev, I'm explaining of like of this is like a moon or carpet were you there with your fadog being like, okay, group A, group B.
There was no fadog. I wish I'd had a fadog because we cooped about the H-gur hosig sheet of fucking Noel and Rose go rev fadog so not fadog.
Bitti.
But no,
Terry Polka.
No, and and honestly, if you got enthusiastic, because like Vain H stop it if everyone had been like had lost interest, you know.
Take it.
And like it wasn't like I wasn't like, come on, another one. It was chraic sauce chraic, you know.
Yeah.
But it was great. Oh my god, we had so much fun. It was because we had a lost sport our school.
Yeah.
Jesus,
Well,
okay.
you'll have to invite us to the next one.
I will.
We'll have our
yeah. Now on Rud Ella though, like Stevie Tusser on shin, like don't crack. It's a Dulabaka goal, and like absolutely that is absolutely a facet of fun doing and shutting Aaron. But it's like Nima more into Gerbe kind of on kind of attain Ruddy Yenensteiny, you know, for that outlet. But I'm saying that, and it was the sports day was absolutely a drinking day coma. But I think was you thought the goal and Gara the gush, but the sport day on coma, and I think it was sport mar Rud spree you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, sure, Mara Dúir to say it's big bug of the curb, isn't it? It's moving and physically getting your bare feet onto the grass and running up and down the lawn, running mar shinda, like it's na ruddy simply.
Dulles snob.
Dulles snob. Ain't this right
It was fucking fab.
Yeah. I also, do you know what I did at the weekend? I'm going to sound like an awful wanker now admitting this, but anyway, I bought a few hydrangeas, okay, and I potted them, and I was like, I know, gals, big one for me, but I was like, Jesus, I can't remember the last time I've stuck my hands into the dirt of like a compost bag and the soil, and just like I was like, I should be doing this a wad níos minice.
Oh, a curruddy is really
fun.
A
curruddy,
a fás agus but you know, you shouldn't have Carl Young on stuff gur retu dinam nor retu the fáistegus gur bhain tú soltas she need an rudí gur chóir a bheith dinamh, you know, never mise og bhí hanamh áthir dar dúirteach agus, you know, spantan chunas rudí chur nu bheith fá mothí gimmert dinamh sports days ar scoil nu bheith fá snáb, you know, rudí mar sin to go into your state of play is, you know, your truest form of self.
Massively. And that is what I was going to say, just more I don't know, rudí and dolíochta den no to shadira grate, there are so many benefits of play, right? So this is like the science behind it. These are just some of the benefits. Obviously it boosts your brain function and creativity if you're able to get the prefrontal cortex going. There you go, Esther, thanks for those nice big words. And that's the area responsible in your brain for problem solving and innovation. So like, you know, Orintha, if you're grandma stuck in life, like we've said this, what's that one I always say, if you can't move your mind, move your body. If you can't move your body, move your mind.
Yeah.
So anyway, a couple know that the of Colleen need to get into the flow state quickly anyway. Set tiny challenges. Flow happens when tasks are just hard enough to push you, but not hard that it causes frustration. There you go, challenge yourself, I suppose. I think like eliminate distractions is Rodella. So I think like, would you ever, I'm so lethal for it, I'd never turn off the notifications on my phone. Few fhios láthir thom would you tap it and I'm like, I'm on flight mode, what am I missing?
Oh my god.
Information notifications are Instagram, the I'm notifications are Instagram. That's in Tain Road. Agus emails actually.
No, notifications are Ain Road. Chachas if you singularly message me or WhatsApp.
Oh really?
So
everyone rushed to single message during. So
this
this is apparently your brain can't get into the flow state if it keeps getting interrupted with small distractions. So you need to fully commit to the flow, which is probably like jumping in the ocean. If you're getting in, you're not getting in with a distraction, are you?
There you go.
Colleen, as a little wrap up, I've got a little dhúshlán for you, okay? So now you're going to have to, our listeners, you're going to have to hold us all accountable, but I'm setting everyone a challenge to play this week, and you're going to have to post the proof. And the man so shielta. Okay. So what Darren I would like you to do now. By the way, you're going to feel silly, but remember, you're feeling silly mar táisibh Jane of Spraoi. This is rather againn spraoi. So you need to get into your childish flow state, and I want you to have great fun with this. Be crach and more is more. Okay? So Darren, the dhúshlán. You're to make up an elaborate handshake with your dad. Okay, I want you and Kev to be twisting, twirling, clapping, sliding. All right.
Okay, you love that. Okay.
Shin the dhúshlán. Have fun with it. Okay, and you're going to be reporting back. Shiva, right? We know. Is your fiddle back a gubber?
Kind of a volley, but yeah.
Excellent. So you're going to need to bollig the fiddle for this, right? I would like you, by ear, to learn and recite the theme tune of the 6-1 News. On the fiddle.
That's a good crack,
Okay.
In tune or
pay Rodé, have fun with it, okay? And then on job Tá Gumsala Jane, if this is as set by Esther producing the podcast, I have to hold a headstand in St. Stephen's Green.
That would be good crack. Yeah. Okay, it's brala.
Okay.
Yes.
So Louise will and Dhúshlán Déanta Agat.
Right, girls.
Reiner Insta, and it'll be up to our age story to Pioch on dinner is spraoi.
Love it. Yeah. Okay.
I think you're going to Kermit about where real Zed or how to go.
Okay. Right about where real Zed. Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to love it.
And also, Kev will love it.
Oh my god. I'll have to get him now when he's after having a pint or two.
Otherwise, I'm not going on Instagram. But anyway, yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, good ad.
And a little note at the Aina Thos Vala. If you are, I don't know, if you're feeling down or something, you need a bit of spree in your life, go out and do what they can task for yourself. Have a crack with it.
Absolutely.
Play a game of Red Rover. I call Darren over.
Yeah.
Well, Mara, it's run of George Bernard Shaw, Mohim, Dorche. We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing.
No.
There you go.
Man fire Georgie, bye.
Okay, Rocket Mission let Yuck na Shock or do. So Could I our TikTok? I know we were all talking about it's awful or we don't like scrolling, but anyway, Could I our TikTok and it goes V May Skevlehe, right? So vi dinna aigen héis co-ra os Gaeilge a Clushdal in Airfort Vlá. And because they had heard Gaeilge in the wild, they recorded it and encouraged you near to our TikTok game. And like ní raibh na daoine le feiscint, like they're just a point all on phone she's they can bear it, but their caption was like heard a whole conversation in Irish in Dublin Airport today. And tá sé Huller on co-ra a league. It's far Darren go aithna go bhéir agus tá blas really loid or again agus like it's just like it's I don't understand like is it fetishization? Is it Dini Kappa knock tonga yo like Ibra like social to Ian Gaeilge or captured I've heard this mythical language and
in the wild
surely I can record it and put it out and there's no ramifications like can't we privaticus on co-ra?
Oh my god,
I know.
Are they playing with like
No, ní raibh gad like, but like data go raibh she did play Kirsty Ibra, new Kirsty Parsons.
God, sorry, imagine if it was piping hot tea.
But sure, do you remember now Nervy Mercer Dangan? Like so gailtocht, like handing on fucking dose and so going and they're like, my god, I was in a centre earlier and I heard somebody like sending a voice note off Gaeilge. You're like, do you guys like speak in Irish to each other? We're like, yes.
But I think Will Dini own a Tappins actually knock Will Dini Tom Markdal a sale tree Gaeilge. Sean and it's just near cred me. And do you know what? And do you know what? Cred me love here to couldn't have made a tweet. I liked this and I was like, hold on, what the fuck? Like this is just and I unlike.
Do you know that's on Dina Cana that's like on will can't come Dalgety and Laris.
Well, I think that they had. Like good intentions. I think has the gwehu a galéru thang Gaeilge bheo beach, but ag an céine tá tú literally a craile co-ra privádach an virtual. Not Danation guys. Not Danation. Agus well an rud eile ná bhíidir cappa óní Higgins aine so féile mé occur near which is also a massive misconception Martha like Gaeilge the high second $2.2 million dinna ar an on shot. Awesome shots million. So not Dana bottom sin.
Anyway, yak fair play. The Yup na Seachtain atá gomsa is ag tacht brontanas nachhfuil oscailte agat an féin, right? Agus tháinig mé like it was kind of like a hamper of Nooks expensive body gel and moisturizers, gals. All I can say is the showers I had ag an deir seachtaine rud bin níos fearr now. And sometimes I'm like, don't love a body geller as a brontanas. But Nooks, do you know that NUX is absolutely
Can I just ask, was this a brontanas or was it a freebie?
No, Brontanas Vian. For say I would say like blian na ro ohin, but just vishe kailta gomer vishe Moscow no take and tanning haning where vishe gachrod false like lawn near of ainrod oscota gum and it's a rational limit. But I was like, oh my god, like a big bottle of Nooks moisturizer unopened, unused. I just thought, you know, Yup in the Shock was like talk there running. It's like finding €5 in the focha.
Actually, our note the Shane agus when it kind of Kirsty spree like Knockwell Road broke biog spree agus croch the point like kind of like Kirsty Smidu agus Ingene agus Theo Denovan stuff shit do fain come up
like expression. Well, the time I tried to express myself with the pissy yellow nails. Bad move. There was no fun there.
Games are fun.
I'll tell you the only fun
game. There are losers.
Are dangerous.
So if you lose some, Louise, that week you lost.
You lost. Actually, that was so bad. I guess Vera meet the car like on Manish anyway, whatever. Listen,
over it.
Never. Well, lads, it's the William Gwilsha Shinna made August just a raw. Thank you so much to Discover Ireland for sponsoring this podcast. Gramora, and we'll do it all a reach till the schoon.
Yay!